Come toward us so we can get on the video.
Uh-oh.
Oh, crap. Oh, no. That's going to be a good video, though. It's going to be underwater.
Well, yeah, you'll see what's under there.
Right? Hey, don't cry. We're going to get it. This one doesn't have a self-leveling feature like some of them do.
Well, I doubt it would come up with that GoPro on there now anyway.
Let me go on that side. Yeah. Don't do that. Don't do that. Just hold on.
This will be stuck. We should have put the GoPro on.
Should I go on that side and shoot some waves?
Yeah.
Because the wind looks like it's going to try to take it that way. Or should I just swim out there?
You sure it's just a small gator?
Yeah.
Are you so sure? Huh?
Yeah.
You don't act like you're so sure.
Should I swim out there?
I got it on video, man, so if anything happens, we got evidence for insurance. I'll toss it.
Bradley, it's okay. Hopefully this water's not like... I don't know.
Is it cold?
Yeah, it's cold.